how to see friends you unfollowed on Facebook. Hello, everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up these simple steps. So, for that, you may open up your Facebook application first and then go ahead and log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. Now, from the given interface, all you gotta do is simply go ahead and locate up your profile at the top right. The menu bar, and open up the menu. Now from the given menu, you can just go ahead and look out for your name, your profile name, tap on it. And then after tapping on it, you may scroll down and look for your friends section and then tap on see all friends. Once you go ahead and tap on see all friends here, it will show you friends list, including that at the very top, you should be finding a manage icon option. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, we have these categories. So one is no mutual friends. The second one is friends you unfollowed, which is the one we are looking for. So go ahead and tap on friends you unfollowed. And then here it will show you the friends that you've unfollowed on Facebook. And you can just go ahead and select them and go ahead and unfriend them or keep it as it is. So that's it. So that is it for now. You may follow this method in order to view the unfollowed friends on Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.